All right, so we want to talk about the 2.09 quiz, which is really just dealing with spheres. So this first question asks us, what's the volume of this sphere? So it says, use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest hundredth when necessary. First, you need to remember the volume of a sphere formula, which is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. And this is really important because you're used to using radius squared. So keep this in mind that this formula uses radius cubed. It's the only dimension in the volume, so it's cubed. So we are going to plug in volume equals 4/3, and they tell us to use 3.14 for pi. So we're going to replace pi with 3.14. And then the radius, and be careful here, we're not given the radius. They have the diameter marked. So we are given the diameter. The radius is half of that. The radius is going to be 4. So 4 cubed. So we're just going to put this in our calculator, see what we end up with. And you should get, and it says round to the nearest hundredth, so 2 decimal places, 267.946, so 0.95 meters cubed. Simple, don't overthink it. Just make sure that you're careful about what they ask and what you're given. Here's one with the baseball. It says a regulation baseball has a diameter of about 3 inches. What's the best approximation for the volume of this baseball? So volume is equal to 4/3 pi times the radius. Again, we're given the diameter, so the radius is half that, which is 1.5. Okay? So we're going to do 1.5 cubed here. We're going to plug this into our calculator. It does not tell us to use 3.14 for pi, so we're going to leave it. But it does say there's an approximation. So I didn't put the answer choice options on here from your quiz, but you will probably notice that it's a rounded answer. I cannot remember the exact options. But since it says best approximation, we get 14. When you plug all that in your calculator, you should get about 14.14 inches cubed. So from there, you might have to estimate or see which answer choice best matches that answer.